What's up guys, it's Sean from New England Aquatic Landscaping, and today I'm gonna talk to you about the 5 main reasons you should clean your pond every spring. So reason number 1, guys, we wanna remove all that excess muck and debris. No matter how good of a filtration system you have, even if you net your pond over in the fall to prevent the leaves from getting in, there's always gonna be muck, debris, fish poop, gunk, algae, excess food, all that stuff inside your water feature. It might look crystal clear, but all that stuff builds up all season long. And then when your pond is dormant over winter, it really starts to set in and get gross. So every spring we want to get in, collect all that big hand-sized debris, leaves, sticks, acorns, all that junk, pine needles. We manually remove it. And then like Sixto's doing right now, he's flushing all of that fish poop and muck and mud, all the fine debris. He's flushing it out so we can pump it away and give this pond a fresh start. The main reason you want to get rid of this stuff, guys, and you definitely want to do it every spring, is this becomes excess nutrients. And excess nutrients lead to algae problems, water quality issues, and even fish health issues. You want to get rid of all that stuff so you have a nice, clean, clear, and healthy pond. That's especially important if you have nice fish that you care about. You want their environment to be conducive to success and health and wealth and all the good things you want for your fish. So get that muck out of there. Reason number 2, a spring cleaning on your backyard pond is so important. It's for these guys. Koi and pond fish are your pets. You want to take care of them. You want the best for them. So it's super important that we go and clean the pond. Get that environment as healthy as possible. Get rid of any excess nutrients. We don't want them swimming around in muck and debris. We got to get their home nice and clean for their health. It also gives us a great opportunity to handle the fish. We can inspect them for wounds or any disease, sickness, things like that, and we can treat it if need be. So the spring cleaning is super important for the health of the fish. All of it basically is about them, right? We love the pond, we get to interact with it, it changes our lives, but if you have fish, it brings on a whole different meaning. These guys really bring life to your outdoor living space, and we want to make sure their home is nice and clean for them and take care of them. If we can take away a bulk of the nutrients that causes algae in the first place, then we make a big dent in the problem, and it makes it easier to maintain throughout the season. That is reason number 3, ties into reason number 1, but it's worth mentioning again because it's so important. Reason number 4, this gives us an opportunity to restart our biological filtration. So on this particular pond, we've got a wetland filter, which is the most powerful version of biological filtration that you can have on your backyard pond. But we also have a more typical waterfall filter box over there. With an ecosystem pond, you really only clean your biological filtration once a year, and that's in the spring. The rest of the year, it just keeps running. You don't need to backwash it. You don't need to clean out filter mats or anything like that. So in the spring, when we clean the pond, that gives us the opportunity to really clean this out and get it started on the right foot. Reason number 5, this is an opportunity for us to catch small problems before they become really big problems. Here's an example of an underwater light that is almost completely dead. Now this small problem is never really going to turn into a big problem, but it would be a big pain in the butt to have to change this light once the pond is completely full and running. We'd have to drain everything down to get in here and do this properly. But we get a chance every spring to inspect the entire pond. Plumbing, pumps, filtration, rock work, aquatic plants. We can fertilize lilies, fish health, all that stuff. We get to find those small problems and address them right away in the beginning of the season before they turn into big, huge problems that can cost lots of money or break your heart. So that's a quick rundown, guys, of the top 5 reasons why you should clean your pond in the spring. There's probably 100 good reasons, but I figured let's go over the main ones. If you guys are questioning whether you should clean your pond every spring or not, I'm just gonna be honest with you. The answer is yes. You're gonna find a lot of people on the internet who will disagree with me on that, but after 18 years of cleaning people's ponds, I have nothing but happy customers who have great ponds all season long, and it's because they start the season off right by cleaning the pond and getting it all put back together and running. Hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. If you got questions or ideas for other videos, hit us up. Until then, I got some work to do. Sixto is missing me right now.